great for rising. I'm Lily Bell. You be encouraged and you keep on churning till the butter comes.
You know, listen to this young brother. You know, I'm going to tell you something. Makes me feel like we're in good hands. When the rein is in the hands of the young who dare to run against the storm. Listen to this.
So one of their favorite arguments for white supremacy's existence is but slavery. And I'm just going to clear it up now. Slavery was not supremacy. It was fragile men with wits. If you have to chain a people, steal their language, brand their bodies, and pass laws to make them less than, that's not supremacy. I'm just clearing that up now. It's spiritual terror management. Because you don't enslave what you think is beneath you. You enslave what frightens you into silence if left free. Slavery is not proof of white dominance. It's proof of white dependence on stolen labor, on extracted brilliance, on a total surveillance. If white supremacy were real, right? If it were real, I just want y'all to lock in. If white supremacy were real, the moment slavery were ended, so would the fear. But what really happened? It mutated into black codes, into lynch mobs, into redlining, into mass incarceration. That is not supremacy. That is generational panic dressed up in all your favorite legal language. And let's go to all the arguments, because I truly want you to understand. Jim Crow also is not power. It's a performance. Segregation wasn't about pride. It was about containment.
You see? And you heard. See what this young brother said? He broke it down, plain and simple. I want to thank this young brother. And for all young brothers such as this. We got to get behind these young people and support these young people. White enslavers, you tried to convince us that you were superior. Why did you do it? And I leave you with this. If they close my book, you remember and you tell my story. Be encouraged. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Support our youth in any way you can. Keep on churning till the butter comes. Albert C. Richardson, a black man, patent the butter churn U.S. patent number 446470. February 17th, 1891. I'm Lily Bell. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. I leave you with this. If they close my book, you remember my story. A Nat Turner Runner production. Lock and load. Lily Bell. Be encouraged.